Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Becoming Mrs. Jones. Today, I'm going to do my unboxing of my first Miss to Mrs. bridal subscription box. Yay! And I have my Miss to Mrs. cup that I got from Icing. So let's begin. Right. So I want to say this took about 2 weeks for me to get after I first subscribed. And I subscribed to the 9-month subscription. So that should take us to May, which is when we're getting married. All right, so first thing when I open it up, we have this card, and it says, "Let's plan this. Congratulations, you're engaged." That's me. Your first themed box has a little bit of everything, designed to help you along every step of the wedding planning journey. Now, for the most part, my wedding is already planned, but hey, I figured I'm only going to do this once, so I want to do it with a bang. So I wanted to get the subscription box. So let's see, there should be 7 things in here. So let's see. Oh, some cute wrapping paper, a nice thank you sticker. Trying not to tear it. All right. The first thing is 11 things every maid of honor should do. So Serene, I will be giving you a copy of this. So Serene is my maid of honor. I've been best friends with her since the 6th grade, except for half of 7th grade. We weren't friends, but then we made up. Okay, so cool. It has just some little tips. And then wedding hacks for the date, wedding venue, bridal gown. So just another little info card. Really cute graphics. Okay, and now we have some paper clips with the bow tie and a little diamond shape and a hashtag symbol and hearts. Super duper cute, and I love that they're gold. Gold is one of our wedding colors, so I'm definitely going to be using these. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we have a congratulations to the future Mrs. necklace in the shape of a little diamond. So cute. I will definitely be wearing that. And we have All That Sparkles jewelry rights. Very important when we're taking pictures with our rings, ladies, that we make sure that it's nice and sparkly and clean. So I would definitely be using these. Quick clean for your diamonds, gold, silver, and gemstones. So nice little box. Let's see. Oh, we have some pins. So there's a polka dot one and then a gold one with like little diamond jewels at the top. Super duper cute. I'll be using these at work with my countdown that I have at my desk. That is one thing that I suggest that every bride gets is a countdown. I actually have one in my room that I don't always update, but I also have one at work. And it really gets people excited. Every time they pass by my desk, they ask me, like, is that the right date? Have you been keeping it up to date? Just gets really everyone excited and happy and looking forward to your wedding day. And I have one on my phone, too. So there's 233 days. All right, next we have diamond engagement ring. Oh, balloon kit. Okay, so let's see. Contains 1 foil giant diamond ring balloon and 2 foil heart balloons. Includes straw to inflate balloons and string. Can be inflated with helium or air, which is actually really good because I read the directions beforehand and I didn't know if a straw was included, so I did grab a straw. But that's good to know that there is one included. So I'll blow this up in a bit. And we have a tumbler. Oh, with a straw. Cute. Oh, and it says brides to be. So another set of cupware that I can use to show that I'm engaged. I also have a cup that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond that says, "Does this make me look engaged?" I love that cup. But this one is really cute too, and it has Miss to Mrs. at the bottom. Nice and florally with different color flowers on it. Super duper cute. I'll put that next to my other Miss to Mrs. cup. And let's see, last but not least, we have Let's Plan. This looks like a notepad or a to make a checklist or something. Really, really cute. Like I said, I really didn't get this to help me plan my wedding just because I'm pretty much done planning already. But just wanted to get some cute little things that I could use along the way. All right, so now I'm going to try inflating this balloon. Let's see how long it'll take me. All right, so we have our ring. Woo. It's really big. All right. We have our string. And where is the straw? Oh, there it is. Alright, so let's see if I can do this right. Valve. I've never blown up a foil balloon before. I promise I have my college degree. Let's see. I just don't want to poke a hole in it. Oh, there we go. Alright, so there's like a little plastic part that you got to make sure that it goes through. Alright, let's see.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we're going to take that out and... Okay, so once I took the straw out, it kind of stays inflated. Cool. Alright, let me do the other one. Make sure I put it through the plastic part. Alright. Cool. Now this one, our main attraction. This one is not marked valve, but it's at the very top. I see my little plastic hole I need to stick it through. All right. Okay, am I gonna have to stick it down here too? Maybe the air's gonna have to distribute. Okay, I think that's good. All right, okay. So that wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. So we have our ring. Cheese. I'll set that there. And we have our 2 hearts. All right. Well, thank you for watching the first episode. I am looking forward to the next 8 boxes. Let's see. And they actually tell you what the next theme is going to be. So it says next month box theme, Ultimate Bridal Swag, which I love bridal swag. So yeah, so I would totally recommend this bridal box. So far, I'm pleased with everything that's come. So yeah, thanks for watching.